Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Motorists will be paying record high prices at the pumps this week. That as a litre of gasoline will increase by $1.63. Automotive diesel is also up by $1.52. However, the prices of ultra-low sulfur diesel, kerosene, propane and butane will not change this week. The government is urging Jamaicans to invest in a viable retirement plan. The call comes amid findings which reveal that while Jamaicans are living longer, most do not have a proper pension plan in place. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
The latest findings from the World Health Organization (WHO) show that Jamaicans are living on average up to 75 years old. That's 10 years after the age of retirement for men and 15 for women. The ideal situation is that senior citizens benefit from pension after they retire. But according to Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark, most don't have a pension plan.
The private pension system overall, I believe, has about only 9% of their members covered. And the blended average for private and public, i.e. the national average, is 16%. So that's only 1 in 6 Jamaicans who are covered by pensions.
Dr. Clark argues that most senior citizens become dependent on state care, which he says delays the country's economic growth plan.
The low pension coverage means that many Jamaicans are likely to be in a dependent position in their older years, which is not good for any of us. Because the more Jamaicans are in a position of dependence, is the more they may depend on the state.
But things are changing.
There is a private pension reform that has been underway for some time, and the goals of the private pension reform are to ensure that proper arrangements are in place for Jamaicans who are saving towards retirement.
For the Business Day, I'm Andrew Laidley.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $135.64. The Canadian dollar closed at $104.97. The pound is being sold for $178.06, while the euro ended the day selling for $160.51 on average. The JSE index gained 1,510 points today, while the junior index lost 11 points. Among the winners, Barita Investments, Cargo Handlers, Everything Fresh, Fosrich, G West Corporation, ISP Finance Services, Jamaica Broilers and KLE Group. On the losing side were 138 Student Living, AMG Packaging and Paper, Caribbean Cement, Derrimon Trading, Elite Diagnostic, Grace Kennedy, Honeybun and Indies Pharma. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.